Well, it's time to make it look good. Let's put some fenders. there we go. Frame is pretty much complete. The only thing I got left to do now is install the cables. That's the next step to do on the manual, is install the cable for the locking diffs, and that's it for that. And then finish off the body. So this is the truck so far. Nice little bumper in the rear and in the front. See how that's going to hold up, especially the bumper in the front. It looks plasticky, very shiny. Don't know how long it's going to last, but I got to check if the metal bumper is going to fit there. But like I mentioned, I like running my truck stock when I first get them. So this is the frame so far. I'm pleased. These cross braces that I installed in the top really strengthen the whole frame, so it is pretty strong right now. And there's still some flex. I mean, twist, I can still twist it, that's not an issue, but it doesn't twist from the center like I mentioned. But some twist is good. They did get a big piece of foam to put there. I guess the cab does lean against that or close to it. We'll see once we put it on. I'm pleased. I like it so far, and can't wait to get it on the trails. So I gotta find a paint scheme first. I think I'm gonna go like 2 or 3 tones on the body. That's why I saw a picture the other day and I kind of liked it. I don't think I'll go box art. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. That's the build so far, and I'll show you some pictures later or videos of when I install the diffs. It is kind of tricky, very close. I don't think I'll be able to videotape, but I'll try to make a video of it when I actually run the cable through and things like that. Till then, guys, go charge up some batteries, go out there and break something. Because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Cheers.